Go.
Okay. Right, okay, so this is a field slipper dry hill quarry, and what I'm going to do is show you how to use the Knox protractor on a scale of 1 to 10,000. So each of these squares here, this is a square kilometre, and using the 1 to 10,000 grid, you see where it says 1 to 10,000 there, this grid is precisely the same size as one of these squares. So if we assume our grid reference is this 49722 55260. First we deal with the northings, 49722. So that's 49, that line. And if we look at where 722 is, we've got 700, 10, 20, because these are in tenths between each kind of centimetre. 722 is there. So 49722 is there. 55, 55, 260. Drop this down now. That is at 250, 60. So that's 55, 260. Just recheck the first number, 49722. 710, 20. Just move it over ever so slightly. Put a mark where the axes intersect, and that is where that grid reference is, where my finger is.